Hello, guys. Guys everywhere. YouTube, Twitch, TikTok, all live. Lunch. Okay, guys. New day, Thursday. Let's see what the market has for us. Let me explain every position I have two. And if you want to see my PNL, you need to go on YouTube and Twitch. I think TikTok restrict my live if I show my PNL. And let's go. So I'm on SP. I open another trade following the plan I had the last few weeks. Market structure is bearish daily, 4 hour. He filled 50% of the candle, this huge imbalance, touchy MX200, fractal bearish, and I just opened the trade. My sell is above this order block 4 hour, basically. So that's my first trade on SP. Optimal target will be a new low. We'll see about that. I'm like this on SP, so you know I opened another trade on NZD-CHF right there. Market structure 4 hour is in this. No liquidity left to take. Filled the last POI there. Fractal bullish 4 hour there, and I took it in 15 minutes based on the internal structure created. You have one there, and my sell is below that, so I'm in this, and I'm in AUDGPY also. Market structure switch bearish since last week. Pull back, filled this order block, and you have this divergence 1 hour, switch market structure in 15, and because of this candle, it's at the same time POI imbalance. I took this. We'll see, and I'm also on GBP GPY. More clean. I explained this yesterday, but there were two scenarios. Either this one or the one I saw took the last liquidity of this small market structure 4 hour fractal. I just placed my Fibonacci, took the trade at 50% and targeting a new low. So basically that's all the trade I have for now today. To see the PNL, like I said, you just need to go on YouTube and Twitch, because I think TikTok just restrict my stream if I show the PNL in live. So we'll see about that. Sony EU, nothing new. I did not check this today, but absolutely nothing new. It's still the plan I have now. No sign that is gonna go up. But let's not forget that every market structure in big time frame are bullish. So that's still the plan I have overall, the scenario I want. But Sony, depend if you can tell me what's where is your entry, what is your scenario. Maybe you took a trade in smaller time frame, but overall in big time frame I'm like this. In 4 hour time frame, that's what I'm currently waiting. So we'll see. So I'm just gonna update my charts. as always, don't hesitate to ask if you have any question. And if you want me to analyze something for you, if you have a trade open, or if you want to open a trade anytime soon. So let's go, guys. SP already explained my trade. Nothing to update. French indices, nothing new. Absolutely nothing new. The eye is there. No new eye yet. So we don't care. Nothing to update. Nasdaq. Nasdaq. Nothing new. I'm still waiting for something like this. We'll see if right now SP is more clean and clear for me. US 30. Same, not the same, sorry, but everything is bullish overall in big time frame on US 30. Fractal bullish there, but you maybe just feel this imbalance gap, call it as you want, but I don't like it to do anything. Like I said, SP is way more clean for now. If fractal bearish there 4 hour, to be bullish again you need to break this, so I don't like it. Next, DAX, nothing new basically. I still think he's gonna create a new high soon. The target is still this high, based on market structure daily and 4 hour. We'll see. Next, DAX 40, same. US oil, new high on US oil. I can update my chart, and also some of you trade this, even if I don't personally. Okay, let me just update this. So now the low on US oil is there. And so you have a new high, a new buzz there. But basically there's nothing to do. Bitcoin, nothing new. Ethereum, absolutely nothing new. Also, still bearish everywhere. Not the time to have any crypto if you're the kind of people who have some, usually. Personally, I don't have any crypto currently. And I took my short, like I said, on Bitcoin already 2 weeks ago it was. So nothing new on the crypto side. Let me just finish one thing. Euro USD, absolutely nothing new. Also, still the same plan overall. Euro GBP, same, nothing new, except that technically is bullish now in big time frame. In 4 hour time frame, there's nothing to do, but it should say. So we'll see to either take the correction, he does something like that, or later waiting for a trade like this. We'll see, but basically nothing to do on Euro GBP. Next, Euro GPY, nothing new. We're still waiting for something like this. It's currently time, I think, to play the correction, but I don't see any setup. So personally, I'm not gonna touch that yet, but I'm still waiting for the same thing overall. Next, GBP USD. Okay, GBP USD. I can be interested in this soon. I'm just gonna wait for a fractal bullish in 4 hours now, and maybe I'll be in later to trade this. We'll see, but it's not the time yet, at least to play the big move. Maybe you have some trade already in small time frame, I don't know. No, not in 15. Yeah, there was this trade in 5. I'm not completely against it if you played something like this in 5. Just get out to take your 2 or 3 risk ratio. You don't know if you're gonna have your confirmation in big time frame, but if you have your zone, you can try to, especially into POI and field, you can try to find small setup in small time frame. Why not? Next, EuroCHF, absolutely nothing. I don't like it. Technically, he took the low there. So technically he's into this now. In 4 hours, when it's just a new high and a new low with the wick of the candle, in 4 hours, 1 hour daily, I count as a new low. In small time frame, it's more tricky. So nothing to do. I guess we'll see something there. We want to short EuroCHF. It's still the trend is still bearish. Next, EuroCAD, absolutely nothing new. Still ranging. I don't like it. Same as the last few days. Let's not forget that in daily, if we check only the daily time frame, it will be time too long. But I need more. I don't want to hold the trade for weeks. Euro IUD, don't like it yet, but could be the time to wait to play the correction. Now will be like this if we fractal bullish 4 hours once again. That's why I have my alert there, but not the time yet. Next, USDCAD. I don't really like it. I know that in daily it was the time to have a reaction. We had it there. He corrected already 50% of the last market structure for hour. But because of that, I don't like it anymore to trade. You still have too much unfilled gap, unfilled order block at the top, especially this one. So I'll see later if I want to short this. Because the 4 hour time frame is still bearish. Maybe not this actually. I'd say it's not clean enough because of this candle. I don't like it.
5 ans à comprendre ça. J'ai mis 5 ans à comprendre que si je
We'll see. Don't like USD CAD enough. The long to take was there. So it's too late, too long. Not the time to short. High legacy. Hope you're fine. Don't hesitate, Legacy, if you have any other question like yesterday. Nothing new on USDC HF. Unfortunately, I stopped my long just to be safe around there before FOMC. Nothing happened during FOMC, so the target is still, I think, at least at 0.7838. So nothing new on that. Next, USDGPY is still waiting for something like this. Let's not forget that big time frame are still bearish since end of January. I took my short, as some of you know, like this. It was last week. ITP plus 4.3k around there. Now it's still possible to have another short if we saw something like this in 4 hours. We'll see about that. Gold, I was waiting for a possible long in there. Now this plan is not valid anymore because it created this order block 4 hours. So we'll see. I think it's too late, unfortunately, too long. Gold now, I think it just respected some market structure 15 minutes in there. Let me check this. It did a new high there in 15. Could be possible to take another long actually on gold. I'm not against it. Try something like this. Already have 4 trade open. In big time frame, you still have this unfilled order block. I think I'm gonna let this one go. But I'm not against it. Shamim, Nasdaq, personally nothing new. I prefer, like I said, SP. Nasdaq, everything is still bearish in daily, forward time frame, everything, but that don't mean that can't come back into this. So Nasdaq, personally, I don't know about you, but I don't like it enough to trade it right now. SP is way more clean and clear. But I'm open to any opinion. I don't know what's your analysis. Maybe you're checking smaller time frame. Legacy have buy analysis on GBP GPY. I'm open to any opinion, but based on market structure, divergence, everything, no way. Personally, I'm like this. In 4 hours, Legacy, the last high is this. He took the last liquidity there. Then he fractal bearish. That's why I put my short on the 50% FIBO. I did not think twice on this. I don't see anything to buy. If he does something like this, maybe. But personally now, not yet to buy. I don't have any regrets with this trade, personally, whatever can happen. And if you don't follow my trade, I'm gonna wait to take another shirt up there, because let's not forget the daily time frame. So we'll see Legacy, but don't hesitate to explain why you see buy setup on GBP GPY. I'm always open to any opinion, but personally, I don't see it. Or maybe you told me yesterday that you were an Elliott Wave guys. So yeah, why not? If you base your analysis on Elliott Wave, yeah, you have your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But to be sure that it's your 5, you need him first to break the 4, basically. So you will need first GBP, GPY to break this. So not yet Legacy, but I'm open to your analysis if you want. Next guys, where was I? I was on gold, silver, nothing new. On paper, the chart, I can't wait for something like this in 4 hours. Still nothing new. Next, GBP AUD, nothing new. I just need to update the market structure for our there now. No unfilled order block, and the last liquidity is there. But absolutely nothing to do on this. Next, Euro AUD. Oh yes, Euro NZD. So I had a long in this. I was hoping to target the new high, but I saw a fractal bearish in 4 hour where a possible corrective wave should stop. So I TP this trade plus 1.5k. Unfortunately, my optimal target was at 4k. But that's all. It's safer sometime to stop your trade if you see something against you. So basically now nothing new and nothing to do on Euro NZD. But next, GBP CHF, nothing new. Nothing new, still in this. The eye is still the same. You fill this unfilled order block. And you have absolutely nothing to do on GBP CHF. Everything is still bearish in every time frame, but not the time to short and not the time to long yet. GBP and ZG, we missed a short. We missed it because it was during the night. But yeah, market structure 4 hour, no liquidity left to take. It took this. Fractal bearish there. And DD offer any great pullback there. I guess that was the trade to take. Something like this. And now, if some of you are in this, you put yourself at break-even. And you try to catch at least your 2R ratio. You have this huge gap. And the optimal target will be the bottom, a new low. But anyway, personally I'm not in this. But we missed the short on GBP and ZD. So this. Next. GBP CAD, nothing new. So the big structure daily switch there. This is just some internal structure. Everything is bearish. It did not catch any short, unfortunately. And now the internal structure is there. Yes. So it's still into this, and the target it's still 1.83263 at least. We'll see. Maybe he's gonna offer us another short. Still hoping to catch this. We'll see. But GBP CAD clearly not the time too long, and unfortunately, either it's too late to short, either too soon if he offers soon another setup, basically. Next, GBP CPY already explained it. I'm playing a short in this market structure per hour. And if you want too long, you need to wait something like this. So that would mean that he stopped my trade, but happen. We will adapt ourselves. But I mean this. Yeah, Legacy, I saw your 5 wave. Yeah, but to trade you need first him to break, like I said, your 4th wave. So personally, that's why I allowed myself to open the short in there. So you'll see later, Legacy maybe is gonna stop loss my trade and then offer us the long. Why not? But you need to wait your confirmation there. Next, CADGPY. This one. This one can give us. Actually, the big structure is still bearish. Let's not forget that. But the internal structure, he broke this. So we'll see. It did not give any pullback at 50% yet in this. So CAGGPY, maybe him, this one can offer us the long. We'll see later, but it's not the time yet. And let's not forget that it's just all these are just internal move. I just hope he's not gonna range. I don't like that. Anyway, it's not the time yet. What is in field there? Field. This is then field. So we'll see. Maybe he's gonna offer us a long in there. We'll see. I'm gonna put an alert in case. And we'll see. Next, don't hesitate, guys, if you have any question or if you want me to write something for you. As always, I almost finish updating my usual chart anyway. AUDGPY already explained it, but everything is bearish. No order block left to fill. And with this candle, with POI and balance at the same time, I just zoom in 1 hour. Fractal, divergence, everything. So yeah, I would have preferred this clearly in 4 hours, but with this candle and divergence 1 hour, everything. Changes market structure in 15 also. That's why I'm in this. We'll see. I don't mean that it's gonna reach my optimal TP and a new low. We will adapt as always our trade. But yeah, next CAD CHF. I don't like it. I don't like it still. I don't actually know exactly what he's doing. Market structure is still bearish. Yes. But he's currently ranging. Maybe his corrective move is all this, and he's gonna fill this unfilled order block. But anyway, he already filled more than 61%. So I don't like too long. It's not the optimal place to short anyway. So personally, I don't like it. Maybe he's gonna respect this internal structure and this unfilled order block there. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see if he gives us something like this. Also, it's possible. But yeah, kind of boring CHF right now. Next, AED and ZD, absolutely nothing new. Let me adjust the Fibonacci. I'm not gonna do anything unless we see fractal bearish 4 hour at least, and then maybe we're gonna play the correction. But nothing yet. Next, don't hesitate, guys. As always, if you want me to write something for you. Almost done updating my charts. ADCAD. Yeah, it's time to. It was time too long in there, but now too late, too long. Another time too short. I can bait people and come here before doing this. So personally, I don't like it. And if I would have opened a long in there, I would be out, I think, now, because you already did his move. Yes, the optimal target was the top. But when I see something like this, free wave stopping in this, then fractal against me, personally, I would be out. It's more or less the exam setup that I had on Hero NZD. And that's why Hero NZD ITP earlier than I was hoping, actually. Okay, next. AUD, USD, still waiting for something like this guy. Nothing to do. Too late, too short. Not the best time, too long. It's either he's gonna give us something like this, or either he can still do something like this first. Like this first. So we'll see, but I don't like it. Next. And he still have this liquidity to take, basically. Next. UDC UTF, basically the same. Still waiting for something like this. NZD USD. we missed the short, like I explained yesterday, and if you're still in a short on NZD USD, personally, I will keep it till 0.59112. Anyway, NZD USD, too late too short, not the time too long. If you're in this, you can keep it. Put yourself at break even at least. And the optimal short take was up there. Like this, I think. Anyway, next. NZDCAD, he unfortunately stopped me before following my plan. The optimal target is still 0.81355. Nothing new. Unfortunately, I'm out of this, and I lost 1k on this actually. Happens. I should have been safer on my SL, but I wasn't in front of my screen. If I was, I would have kept it, because you don't have any candle close there above my SL, but happens. Okay, next. And in the DCHF, I already explained why I'm in this, following market structure, fractal bullish, based my execution on market structure 15 minutes in there. Optimal target, the high, big chance that I close this before, as always, if I see something against me. And NZDGPY, not the time too long. And maybe it's time to drop actually. But I'm already in GBP/GPY. For this time, I'm not gonna trade two assets against GPY at the same time. But I'm not against a trade like this. It's not the optimal, but yeah, I'm not against it. Like I said, I'm not gonna open another trade against GPY, but this was probably the plan in there. Okay, next, CHF GPY, still nothing new. The issue is that, yes, the 4 hour is bearish, but he is respecting his market structure in daily, just in there. And that's why I don't like it in that case. But if it gives me something like this later in 4 hours, I'm gonna still short it. So we'll see. And that's all, guys. Okay, I'm gonna chill in front of my trade on SP. Don't hesitate, guys, if you have any question. I update every chart I have. I and Kit on YouTube. Was beginner in trading. How I can start with 0. And Kit, personally, if you want to learn trading, just check on YouTube. Free video about. First, I think the most important thing is to understand market structure if you want to really be a trader, swing, mid-term, short-term. And if you want just to be a long-term trader, investor, in that case, you can, I think, trade with indicators in that case, trading with, I don't know, EMAs or divergence, you can still be profitable in big time frame. So my trade on SP, as long as I don't see something like this in 4 hours, I'm gonna keep it. If I see something like this, I'm gonna cut it sooner. So we'll see on SP, we already took 2.5k last week. Actually, we lost 1k and then we took 2.5k like this it was, and we cut it before CPY last Friday or Thursday. But here he gives me a perfect entry, I think. Filled 50% of the imbalance, plus touch on EMAs, plus fractal, plus he already created this very shorter block. So yeah, I think there's no way you can long SP. The only thing would be this divergence, but let's not forget that big time frame, daily, and the big move is bearish. And that in small time frame, you already have bearish divergence. As you can see, between this candle and this candle, you already also have a divergence. So that's why I'm in it, despite this. And personally, market structure, fractal is above divergence anyway. So yeah, I'm into this. Okay guys, don't hesitate if you have any question or if you want me to analyze something for you. But personally, I finish to update every chart I have. Any trades that entry are still valid. SP it's too late, that's for sure. GBP, GPY, same. AUD, GPY is still at my entry point. And the DCHF, it's too late anyway. And the DGPY, I don't like it enough, to be honest. I said that maybe there was a trade, but just on the EMAs. So, no, personally, I don't think there are any trade to take. Still waiting for this on GBP USD. It's time now. Like I said last week, it wasn't the time yet, because of this internal structure created. Oh yeah, gold. I said that in small time frame, in 15 minutes, there's possibly was this trade. I'm not in it. Because I don't like to take a trade in a smaller time frame when it did not give me my optimal entry in 4-hour, 1-hour time frame. In this unfilled order block, I would have preferred something like this. But technically, in 15 minutes, take a trade there to target at least this eye. Technically, it's not a bad trade. And to keep it till you have 3-3R ratio. Why not? In 5 minutes, it's even more clean. Actually. Anyway, okay, guys, I'm just gonna chill in front of my trade on SP. Don't hesitate if you have any question or if you want me to write something else for you. Or if you just want my opinion on one of any trades you have. Or if you think about opening any trade, don't hesitate. And if not, I'll be gone in like, I don't know, 20 minutes. And if you want to see my PNL in live, you just need to go on the live on Twitch or YouTube, by the way. On TikTok, if I put it, I think my live is restricted every time. And the DC Chief, exactly the same that the other trade I have open. As long as I don't see something like this in 4 hours, I'm gonna keep it. Optimal target, a new eye. We'll see. And let's see where my trade. Legacy, yes, I'm in Europe. I'm in Europe, yeah. I'm in France, actually. I'm not the kind of guy who just flew away once you make a bit of money. I'm a very chill guy who don't change his lifestyle much. What about you, Legacy? Where are you? Nigeria, Legacy. Okay. Yeah, I'm mostly trading currency pair. Besides that, I can open trade on Bitcoin. And lately I like SP. But yeah, mostly currency pair, yeah. In my watch list I have like 20 currency pair. Just Bitcoin and Ethereum. And small indices, a few indices. But if you want, I can analyze something else for you, you know. Even if I don't usually trade it. And if you don't have any question left, guys, I'll be out in, I don't know, 15 minutes, I think. So don't hesitate if you have any question left, or if you want me to analyze something else for you. Like I said, personally, all my charts are updated. All alerts are set. And I don't think I'm gonna open any trade soon. Just gonna keep the one I already have. Legacy. You know, if your runner is first in big time frame, you can have as many assets you want. You know, as much as you want. If I execute a trade is first based on at least the 4-hour time frame, so in that case, you can have a lot of assets in your watch list. And most of the time, honestly, currency pair, you don't have any surprise with them. It's not like I should trade any asset differently. You only look major USD pair and GBP GPY. The only thing I don't like about USD pair, even if I have them, is that when you have a news, when you have a CPY, FOMC, it's more safe to cut your trade when you're a swing trader with USD pair. So that's why it's not a bad thing to have other pair that you can keep whatever the news is. Hi Peter, long time no see Peter. But like I see, you'll see once you will be confident in the way you trade, you can trade the same in any asset. Especially if you trade in if you're not a day trader or a sniper. Don't be sorry, Peter. It's completely normal. The only people I can understand that they have only one asset to trade, or very few, are people who just snipe or trade below the 15-minute time frame, or trade opening session. Why not? But beside that. What kind of studies are you in, Peter?
Ah bon? Bah ouais, quand on envoie des textos à ses potes parce qu'il y a une promo sur le jeu de douane, je crois qu'on est officiellement devenu adulte. Bienvenue au club. Alors
I think I'm safe for now on SP. I think as long as he don't touch this, I'll be safe. I'll see after that what I'm gonna do, depending of the price action in 4 hour, 1 hour time frame. GBP, GPY, same. I have a lot of things with me. Like I said, market structure, 4 hour. Divergence, 4 hour, 15 minutes, everything. No divergence against me. There. So I think I'm safe also on this trade. Not totally the same on AED/GPY. I'm a bit less confident in this because I would have preferred something like this in 4 hour clearly. But I still think was the right thing to take this. And in the DCHF, I think I'm safe too for now. Some of you have any trade open currently? Don't hesitate to ask question or to share any position you can have. And if not, I think I'm gonna cut the live in 5 minutes, I think, if you don't have any question left. Okay, guys. I see no one has any question left. I'm gonna leave. You know what position I'm currently holding. You know what my plan can be in the next few days. So, what do I have? GBP USD. It gives me something like this. And GBP CUG gonna be next week. CUG GPY we'll see probably during the night. I'll be asleep. And that's all, guys, I think. Let me check one last time. Euro USD, I don't care yet. Euro GBP, I don't care anymore. Euro GPY, I don't care yet. I think I don't care. This. Yeah, I don't care. GBP USD, like I said, I'm waiting for something like this. Euro CHF, I don't care yet. Euro AUD, definitely don't care. Look like this range. Euro AUD maybe, but probably I'd be probably asleep. It gives something like this. I don't like USD CAD. Too late, too long. Too soon, too short. USD CHF. Unfortunately, I did this before FOMC. But the target is still up there. I don't think we can grab this except if he offers any pullback in another block 4 hour maybe. But if not happens, is the SHIPY, I don't care yet. Gold, unfortunately not gonna give me my optimal setup in there, and I think it's too late to grab it in smaller time frame. It's flying now. Happens, I don't care, I don't like to take it like that. Still waiting for something like this on silver. We'll see. GBP I don't care. Euro NZD, I don't care anymore. GBP I don't care. GBP NZD, we missed it like we said. GBP I don't care, even if everything is bearish. He did not give me my entry along the way. GPY, I'm in it. ADGPY, we'll see. ADGPY in it. ADGPY, see. ADGNZD, probably next week. ADCAD, I don't care. ADUSD also. CHF, I don't care. NZD, USD, unfortunately, we missed this. But I still think it's gonna go 0.5901. NZD, CAD, unfortunately, stopped me before following the overall plan. NZD, CHF, a minute. Okay, guys, I'm gonna leave. Wish you the best. Wish you good luck if you have any trade open, and see you probably tomorrow. Have a nice evening, and see you guys later. Bye bye.